Most people think overdraft fees happen because they don't make enough money. But here's the truth no one tells you. Overdrafts usually happen because of bad timing, hidden subscriptions, and poor account tracking. And in 2026, one overdraft fee can still cost $30 or more, depending on your bank. In this video, I'll show you the best apps to avoid overdraft fees, how these apps actually work, and which features can save you the most money before your balance hits zero. Let's start with the biggest reason people overdraft. Most users simply don't realize how close their balance is to running out. Automatic payments, delayed transactions, and subscription renewals quietly drain accounts in the background. That's why apps with real-time alerts are so important. One of the most popular options is Dave. The app monitors your linked bank account and may warn you before upcoming expenses create overdraft risk. For example, Jake forgets his gym membership renews tomorrow. Dave notices the upcoming transaction and alerts him before his account drops negative. That small warning can save real money. But here's the problem. Many people rely on overdraft apps without fixing their spending habits. That's where things get dangerous. Now here's where it gets interesting. Apps like Bridget became popular because they can automatically predict low balances and may offer small advances to help users avoid overdraft fees temporarily. For example, Alex is short $20 before payday. A small advance prevents his rent payment from bouncing. And for many users, that feature is incredibly helpful. Another strong option is Clio. Instead of only showing balances, Clio uses AI budgeting tools to track spending patterns and highlight where money disappears every month. Sometimes preventing overdrafts starts with understanding spending behavior first. This is where most people fail. They ignore small subscriptions and recurring charges. A few forgotten streaming services, food delivery memberships, or gaming subscriptions can quietly create overdraft problems later in the month. In a minute, I'll show you the smartest feature to prioritize before downloading any app. First, let's talk about instant transfer fees. Some apps advertise overdraft protection but charge extra if you need money immediately. Those convenience fees may seem small individually, but repeated use can quietly become expensive over time. That's why notification quality matters more than many people realize. Early warnings are often better than emergency advances later. Now let's talk about the best overall strategy. The safest apps combine balance alerts, spending tracking, subscription monitoring, and optional emergency advances. No single feature solves everything by itself. For example, John uses balance alerts to monitor spending, AI budgeting to reduce unnecessary expenses, and small emergency advances only during rare situations like unexpected car repairs. That balanced approach works much better than constantly borrowing every month. So which apps are best for avoiding overdraft fees in 2026? Dave is strong for account alerts and simple overdraft protection. Bridget stands out for predictive monitoring and emergency advances. Clio works well for budgeting awareness and spending control. The best app depends on whether your biggest problem is tracking spending, managing timing, or handling short-term cash shortages. The important thing is catching financial problems before your account goes negative. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment below with the app that saved you the most money. And stay tuned, because next we're comparing the best budgeting apps for beginners in 2026.